Hey, guys! Have you ever thought about what you'd do if everything just stopped? That's exactly what BlackOps Elite Survival Strategies prepares you for. This guide isn't about stockpiling or hiding away, it's about knowing how to survive when the world around you falls apart. It's not just for military experts, it's for everyone. Trust me, I'm no survivalist, but after reading this, I feel more confident knowing what to do if chaos strikes. The author, Colonel Jonathan Riker, brings years of military experience, but he makes it real and practical for civilians like us. What I love is that it's not just about physical survival. This guide teaches you how to stay calm, think clearly, and protect your family in an emergency. It even covers psychological resilience and leadership skills to help you be the one everyone turns to in a crisis. You don't need fancy gear or a huge house, it's designed to work for today's world, whether you're in an apartment or a home. The strategies are tailored to real-life situations and are super practical. If you're still unsure, check out the testimonials from people who've already used this. It's proven to work. This isn't some random guide, it's a life-saving plan that gives you the clarity and confidence you need. So, if you want to be ready for the unexpected, I highly recommend checking it out. It's the best decision I've made for my family's safety. Link in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my other videos.